Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation outlines the troubleshooting steps for Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC B0029-12, which indicates a short-to-power condition in the right side curtain airbag first inflator of the 2023 Honda Accord. The SRS, or Supplemental Restraint System, plays a critical role in vehicle safety by deploying airbags in the event of a collision. An abnormal voltage detected on the SRS unit's detection line triggers this specific DTC. This guide will cover detailed components involved, potential causes of the issue, and systematic troubleshooting steps to identify and rectify the error, ensuring optimal vehicle safety and performance. The identified issue, DTC B0029-12, signals a potential defect related to the right side curtain airbag, which is designed to activate during a collision to protect occupants. The airbag is situated above the window along the side of the vehicle and deploys to prevent ejection or impact with hard surfaces. The SRS unit, or Supplemental Restraint System unit, processes signals from various sensors and determines when to deploy the airbags. If the voltage on the detection line is higher than normal, it indicates an error, prompting the SRS unit to store the DTC. Proper inspection of these components is crucial, as their malfunction can directly impact occupant safety during an accident. The causes for DTC B0029-12 can be varied. A shorted airbag wire, characterized by direct electrical contact with the vehicle's power supply, can lead to excessive voltage readings, prompting the SRS unit to activate the trouble code. Additionally, a faulty SRS unit can misinterpret signals, resulting in the storage of this DTC. Lastly, if the vehicle has recently undergone repairs post-collision, it's essential to confirm that replacement components are the correct parts and installed properly. Faulty or incorrectly installed components may lead to improper functionality of the SRS system, further complicating the troubleshooting process. When DTC B0029-12 is present, a few specific symptoms can be observed. Firstly, the airbag warning light on the dashboard is likely illuminated, indicating a malfunction within the SRS system. There may also be issues related to airbag deployment, where the right side curtain airbag fails to deploy in a collision. Additionally, a DTC alert will be triggered, requiring diagnostics. These symptoms indicate not only the presence of a fault, but also underscore the critical nature of addressing any SRS issues promptly to ensure vehicle safety. The first troubleshooting step for DTC B0029-12 involves activating the vehicle's power system. Begin by turning on the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. This action allows the SRS unit to perform its self-check for system integrity. After this, it is critical to wait for approximately 10 seconds for the system to complete its diagnostic cycle. At this juncture, you should check whether DTC B0029-12 is still indicated. If not present, it may suggest that the concern lies specifically with the right side curtain airbag itself, as the SRS system did not detect an anomaly in its state. In the second step of the troubleshooting process, it is necessary to disconnect specific components that are related to the SRS system. This involves disconnecting the right side curtain airbag inflator connector and the SRS unit connector B to eliminate any potential short circuits that may be affecting the system. Once disconnected, you will need to inspect the functionality of the right side curtain airbag, focusing on whether normal conditions prevail based on the earlier established DTC status. If the DTC reappears, this indicates the right side curtain airbag may have malfunctioned or become inoperative, warranting further investigation or replacement. The third troubleshooting step requires meticulous inspection of the SRS connections and wiring. Begin by ensuring that the power supply lines, specifically the RCA Plus and RCA Minus, are intact and show no signs of a short circuit or damage. This means confirming that the RCA Plus terminal is not shorted to power under normal conditions when the ignition is on. And similarly, verifying that the RCA Minus is free from shorts. Utilize a multimeter to accurately assess the continuity and resistance of the wiring, as any irregularities may indicate a further issue within the circuit that could be impacting airbag deployment functioning. The final troubleshooting step focuses on the SRS unit itself. If previous inspections have indicated normal conditions, yet the DTC remains active, the SRS unit may be determined to be at fault. Systematically assess the unit for any signs of damage or internal failure that could render it incapable of properly processing airbag deployment commands. Utilizing specialized diagnostic equipment may assist in confirming its operational status and any hidden faults. It is critical that this step be conducted thoroughly, as a malfunctioning SRS unit can lead to compromised safety features in the vehicle. Upon completing the necessary repairs and inspections for DTC B0029-12, thorough verification is essential. Begin by securely reconnecting all components, ensuring each plug and connector is firmly in place. Next, clear the DTC from the SRS system using an appropriate diagnostic scanner. This step resets the SRS unit, enabling it to perform a fresh assessment of the system. It is also vital to conduct a functionality test of the airbag system to ensure that all components are operating correctly. Monitoring the airbag warning light during this process will confirm whether the issue has been resolved. Preventive maintenance plays a significant role in mitigating future occurrences of DTC B0029-12. Regular inspections of the SRS components are crucial to identify potential issues before they lead to failures. Ensure that only quality parts are used during repairs or replacements, as subpar components can lead to complications within the airbag system. Furthermore, having professional technicians perform any related repairs is essential, given their expertise and access to proper diagnostic tools. This proactive approach to maintenance can significantly enhance vehicle safety and reliability. In conclusion, DTC B0029-12 serves as a critical alert regarding the functioning of the right side curtain airbag in the Honda Accord 2023 Plus. Understanding the components involved, including the SRS unit and airbag assembly, is essential for effective diagnostics. Each step in the troubleshooting process is designed to pinpoint the specific cause of the malfunction, whether it be a wiring issue or a failing component. Prompt attention to DTCs not only ensures the safety of the vehicle occupants, but also maintains the overall performance of the vehicle's safety systems. By adhering to thorough inspections and preventive maintenance, we can keep this sophisticated safety feature operating as intended. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.